Hey guys, Mike is back with another video. Today we're going to talk about the Chevy Tahoe and the Chevy Tahoe's fog lights. As you can see, all the Tahoes and Suburbans, they're missing the fog lights, right? The manufacturer GM is claiming that these headlights, the new type of headlights, as you can see, it's LEDs. They made it's the fog lights is in there. So as you can see, when you put the low beam, it's going to be this side and that side. So that side is going to be widespread and it's close to the lower side, and this side is going to be just a regular low beam. When you're using the high beam, it's going to be this part. So I want my fog lights like on the proper place. So what I did, I installed the fog lights. On this video, I'm going to talk about what I install in the vehicle. If you want the fog lights, you cannot install from the Silverados. Silverados, they have fog lights, but this plastic, I made the other video, I showed it from the inside. This plastic piece, you can remove it, but it's too small to install the fog lights. So what I did the custom fog lights. These are the 12-inch LED bars from Lasfit. As you can see, it looks really good and it came up as really nice. I'm very happy how they sits and how much power output they're gonna put. There is no drilling is needed. Exactly, fits really easy. Wiring is super easy. I put the Nilight 14 gauge wiring and it came up really good. I'm really happy. So what I did while I'm doing this, I find two pair from Nilight, two pair of these 4-inch LED lights. So now my reverse lighting is super bright. If you guys have halogens, so these ones, I put the links on the description. These ones is from the Lasfit also, like very bright LEDs. These turn signals is LEDs is very bright. If you have a halogens, I don't like to have the halogens, but this is reverse light. Is twice bright than regular halogens, right? These ones are 4 times bright than regular turn signals. So now I'm gonna show you how to run this part. As you can see, this is turn on, turn off. Also, you're not gonna drill any holes. You just, stick here, you run the cables, and that's it. It's gonna be there. So if you open the hood, as you can see, you don't see any wiring, right? Only thing you can see is a relay I installed right here. Also, I didn't do any holes. I used just this clip, and you gotta take it off all these clips, and you have a lot of room to run the wires, right? Under this plastic, you're gonna run the wires to that other side, and the wire is gonna come up from here, and it's gonna goes down and installed inside. As you can see, I screwed it inside, the plus and the negative, it's going to be on the negative side right here. That's it. Other than that, you're not going to see the wires. This goes down, and you just under the bumper, you run the wires, manage the wires, and you're going to end up with this super bright LED bars, right? All right, so time to record. This is my low beam. I put the fixed aperture. This is low beam is off, low beam, and this is just a high beam, right? Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn off everything, the LED bars. As you can see, it's a lot brighter and a lot farther. You see those trees all the way back there? It's how many yards? You think 400 yards? 300, maybe 300 yards, right? That's how far it goes. Now it's gonna be low beam. My low beam is like LEDs, is very bright, but still it puts up tons of power, lights, right? Now it's going to be high beam. I don't see is there any high beam difference. Now we're going to put the LEDs. As you can see, this trees right there, you see it's lights up. My high beam right here on the middle is not much. So of course the camera, you see that these areas like oversaturated because the light output, and it goes all the way down there and all the way back there. This is I fixed the aperture, that's why it's showing like that, but yeah, it's killer. As you can see from the side, yeah. And this is the light output from my fog lights. All right, so this is the street, back road. As you can see, my low beam is very bright, but I'm gonna turn on my LEDs. Boom, as you can see, a lot brighter and wider. All right, amazing back road. You can see very, very nice. This is the high beam, this is the low beam. Now this is my side lights. It turns out that the ditch light, right? You can see any deers, is any movement inside the ditch, and super wide angle. As you can see, this part you don't see it, and this part you can see it. This is like huge difference. I can say my LED lights on the Tahoe is bad. This is like 90% brighter than any other vehicles, but compare with these LEDs, trust me guys, you have to install these. You have to install and enjoy your highway drives, like dark place drives. You see that? All the house numbers, everything is like shines up. This is my fog lights. There is no fog lights in the market even half brightness than this. This is my high beam, barely changed. Yeah, this is decent high beam. All right, but this one is the next level. You can see everything around you. Okay, I'm gonna show you my reverse light. Right, this is the no light, and I have a super bright the brake lights, and you see the house. And I'm gonna put the reverse, and you see how bright. It's still my camera is adjusted, but entire that house is lit up, and everything is like daytime. It's super bright. As you can see, this camera, up camera also showing, and all over the place is like nice and clean view. So internals, I'm running my the Whistle XP90, I believe the model name. I don't know if I put the links on the description. Radar system. Also, I run the cables under the dash inside, and you have a power module all the way when you open the door on this side. So you're gonna run there. Every time you start the car, it's gonna be running automatically. So this the radar system, it definitely, guys, is like paid off like 10 times. If this radar system is like a $280, it's paid me like 10 times already, right? Every time it starts like blinking, screaming, all the laser stuff, I slow down and I see the cops always like stopping like multiple cars. Sometimes I'm passing the bridge and start to blinking because the cops sitting on the bridge, and they shooting all through the bridge, and they will pass. Like they have a tricks, right? So it helped me a lot. Not all the states is legal, so you gotta be careful. Another stuff I'm running, this is AZDOME dash cam. This is a 3-cam dash cam. You see it's the front camera, and there's 2 camera on the side. Also my the back camera through the glass. We can run these cameras here. Okay, so we can do this way, we can do that way, or this is my back camera. So this is a good side. You have a GPS, and you can see the map where you're running, all that stuff. Like, it's very nice. And also the Wi-Fi, you can throw any saved videos to your phone right away. If you need the emergency, like the backup, you can just log in with your Wi-Fi, and you can pull all the data, all the videos from your dash cam. Really nice dash cam. I put the links on the description also. I like it if you guys want to use one of these. And another item I have here, this is the original automatic phone holder. As you can see, you'll bring the phone, it's going to be opens, and when you put the hole, it's going to be holes, and on the bottom, the back, it says touch. Every time you touch, it's going to be opens and holds the phone. Really nice. And also the wireless charger, so you stick your phone, it's going to be charging your phone, so you don't need any other stuff. Another things I have on my Tahoe is I put the exhaust. If you guys watch my other video, go ahead and watch, is the full review. And now I have 2 setups in the exhaust. This is closed, so I can close the exhaust, and here I have a buttons here, so I'm gonna click, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the exhaust is open. Now it's a lot louder and a lot nicer, like a monster. So if I'm driving my vehicle with the family, definitely I will close my exhaust, and it's going to be flips as closed, very nice and smooth. When I'm driving the vehicle myself and I want to scream, yell, definitely I open my the exhaust and I will enjoy my V8 sound, right? Yeah, all right, guys, this is the video for today. What do you guys think? How's it come up? Comment below on the next video when I install the Corsa and the intakes. And also, I changed the speakers. I forgot to say it, but I want to play the music for you guys. I can't play the music here, so the next video, so I'm gonna do everything together, right? Should I lift my truck at least a 4-inch and throw the bigger wheels? And I don't know. If I get bored, definitely I want to do it. But how it is, I like the ride quality on this vehicle. I can drive like 80, 90, 100 miles per hour when I go to long trips. And if I lift, it's not gonna be like stable like now. So it's gonna be next project, right? I'm out, guys. I'll see you in the next video.